Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Quick question, have you ever heard of Skillshare, Udemy, YouTube or Coursera? Today I want to talk about how these platforms literally changed my life and how you can use them properly instead of just binge watching videos and forgetting everything. I'll be honest with you, I've spent hundreds of dollars on Coursera alone, learning skills that actually paid me back. Skills that help me grow academically, professionally and financially, and trust me, most people are not using them in the right way. So today, I'll break it down into 3 simple stages so you know where you are and what to do next. So let's start with stage 1. Stage 1, the early birds. This is where I started too. At this stage, you are asking questions like, what should I learn? Is this skill even helpful? Where do I begin? And if that's you, relax, you are not behind. When I didn't know anything, YouTube was my classroom. Free, unlimited, beginner friendly. I searched things like, what's data analysis? How does finance actually work? Is this skill even for me? And that's exactly what YouTube is best for, exploration. Here's my honest advice, don't spend money yet. At this stage, your job is curiosity, not commitment. Watch beginner videos, test different tools, coding, finance, design, even public speaking, whatever you want. Because once you feel excitement, learning stops feeling like pressure. Now comes to the stage 2, the mid-rocks. This is where the things change for me. Once I knew what I wanted to learn, YouTube alone wasn't enough anymore. I needed structure, depth, practice. That's when I started investing in paid platforms, especially Coursera. I won't sugarcoat it, I spent hundreds of dollars on Coursera. Finance, business strategy, AI, leadership, even data analytics. But here's the difference. I didn't buy courses to feel productive. I bought them to build real skills. This is the stage where paid platforms shine. Coursera, Udemy, even Skillshare. You get structured learning paths, real-world projects, certification that actually means something, skills you can put on your CV and use at work. Things it's on your way. You are not spending money, you are buying leverage for your future. Now talk about stage 3, the rock breakers. This is where everything compounds. At this stage, you are no longer just learning, you are applying, teaching and creating value. After building skills through structured learning, I realized something powerful. Knowledge multiplies when you use it. You can teach others, create content, build a personal brand, offer consulting, launch courses, even monetize your expertise. This is where your skills turns into confidence, credibility and income. YouTube, Coursera, Skillshare, Udemy, none of these platforms are magic. What matters when and how you use them. YouTube is to explore, Coursera is to master, and teaching and consulting is to multiply. That's the real strategy. So ask yourself, which stage are you in right now? Early bird requires exploring, mid-rock requires investing and learning, rock breaker requires creating and crushing it. Comment below and tell me your stage. I read every comment. If this video helped you learning differently about online learning, smash the like button, subscribe for real-world growth strategies. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
Call him king with the capital K.